there's so much that I don't know about business. I've been in business for 3 years. I've made a lot of mistakes along the way, and now I'm realizing the importance of, getting those additional resources and, getting help from other people, and understand that I don't know everything, and there's so much to learn from these types of expos and workshops.
I'm gonna start a new business as a food service provider. I'm new here to the city of Chicago, and a friend of mine told me about this expo. That's why I came here.
Today I'm here with a colleague from our City Markets and Maxwell Street Market program to give small businesses the opportunity to learn more about becoming vendors at any of our city markets. But also it's an opportunity to interact directly with business owners, with aspiring entrepreneurs, and get them information all in one place, all together. So we like to engage as many partners, private sector businesses as possible as well.
We're happy to be here today at the Small Business Expo to tell people about what they might need if they're opening a business in terms of sign requirements or building permits prior to opening their location.
This is our on-the-road business expo because we're taking what we do at City Hall and bringing it out to the communities. We do 5 a year. This is the last one of the year. So learn as much as you can. That's going to help your business grow.
Good business doesn't start with how much money we're going to make. Good business starts with how can I serve you? And so make sure that the service that you give is an experience for the consumer. For me, being of service instead of being self-serving has been the most impactful thing to the growth of my life. Now, you may end up a millionaire, you may not end up a millionaire, but what I will guarantee you is that you will always be able to make something, take care of yourself, and the earth never stops producing. So all you gotta do is be in tune. Thank you.